Today's question is, what should I learn first, HTML or JavaScript? When you start learning web development, the first thing you need to learn is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In simple words, you can use HTML to structure your web page from different types of content, such as text, images, audios, videos, and basically anything you can see on a web page. And in more detail, HTML uses different types of elements to mark up different types of content. At the time of this recording, the latest HTML version is HTML 5.2 and there are 116 different HTML elements. After you have learned HTML, the second thing you need to learn is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. In simple words, you can use CSS to apply styles to your web page by creating different style rules. And finally, after you have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS, you can start learning JavaScript. You can use JavaScript to make your web page more interactive, such as searching the page content, submitting the form data, and more. Basically, anything you can think of that is related to user interaction.